In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Draw.io for Confluence using interactive tutorials. As we navigate through this process, I'll guide you with clear and easy to follow steps, ensuring you can confidently integrate Draw.io diagrams within Confluence. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to your Confluence workspace where you'll land on the For You page. From there, direct your attention to the navigation bar. Look out for the Apps section, and once you see it, go ahead and click on it. This is where we'll begin our journey into enhancing your Confluence experience with the power of Draw.io. After clicking Apps, you'll notice an option labeled Explore More Apps. Clicking, this opens up a treasure trove of additional functionalities you can integrate into Confluence. Our quest today, however, specifically involves Draw.io, so let's keep our focus on finding it. Next, in the search bar that appears, type in Draw. You'll quickly see a list of relevant applications, and what we're looking for is the one titled Draw.io Diagrams, UML, BPMN, AWS, ERD, and Flowcharts. Once you find it, click on that option. This will lead you into the details page of Draw.io, providing an overview of all its capabilities and integration benefits. Now that we've located Draw.io, the next step is deciding where you would like to embed it within your Confluence space. Navigate to the specific page you have in mind. If you haven't already thought of a particular page, now is a great time to consider where you might frequently need diagram tools for projects or collaborations. With your chosen page open, enter the edit mode. Here, you'll want to type in Draw.io within the text area. This simple command will pop up a quick access option for Draw.io. Now you can click on Draw.io board to start your fresh diagramming adventure from scratch. In this new board, unleash your creativity. Whether you're mapping out processes, sketching a flowchart, or designing complex organizational structures, the intuitive tools in Draw.io are at your disposal. Spend as much time as you need here, ensuring your diagram perfectly meets your needs or objectives. Once you're satisfied with the diagram you've created, it's time to make it part of your Confluence document by clicking on Publish. After publishing, it's important to give your diagram a memorable file name, something easy for you and your team to recognize and reference. Finally, select Save to secure your work, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated and utilized Draw.io in your Confluence space, enhancing both your documentation and collaborative tools. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope this empowers you to be more creative and effective in your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional videos just like this.